welcome back to Cute Python. I'm gonna tell you about my journey to Delhi. I didn't go, but I did a lot of shopping. I got a couple of clothes and a gift. I'm gonna show you the gift. This is the gift. Wow, this is a really good bag. And I got this gift from Hamilton. Before we talk about the gift, I'm gonna tell you about the bag. This bag doesn't have so many features, but if you go to a birthday party and you want to give a gift to them, then you can keep the gift in this and give them. I will keep this aside. This is the gift. This is the cover. As you know that this is a 5-in-1 game, but I only know 3 games. I know Ludo, chess and snake and ladders. This is the back of it. As you saw here, it costs 399 rupees. Now I'm going to open it. Now let me tell you about all the 5 games. There is checkers, chess, I don't know what is this, Ludo and snake and ladders. This is snake and ladders. You slide this and you flip it to get Ludo. And then here are all the players. You will be thinking, where is chess? It is behind. Before I open these tiny packets, I'm going to tell you why I bought this. I bought this because I'm going to a trip on a train. This is my first time going on a train and I'm going to Delhi. I'm in Hyderabad right now. From Hyderabad, I'm going to go to Delhi. From Delhi, I might go to Yamunanagar by cab. We're also going to visit Delhi. And I bought this so like in the train I don't get bored and I play with this. My father told me that there's going to be some super duper cool thing where like it's kind of like monkey bars, what leads you to a next seating type of thing. Now I'm going to open the packets. I'm really excited to go on this trip because it's my first time going on the train. Another reason I bought this is because it's summers and we're going to get summer vacation. You can play this with your friends and family when you get bored. I'm going to set up the chess. As you can see, there are magnets attached. So when you keep them, they don't fall. Because the train is really shaky. At least that's what everybody tells. Soldier and the camel look very alike. You may not be able to do the difference, so you got to keep it. Even if you keep the camel accidentally and keep this, turn it around and see, because the camel is slightly taller than the soldier. Don't forget to subscribe, share and like the video. Bye! Once you're done playing, you can take everything and keep it back in the packet. But if it's already torn too big, you can just take it and open it. And open this. Keep it in a corner. Keep it in a corner. You have to keep it in a corner, or else you'll just get jumbled. Then keep everything else. Okay. This is the only thing what's working alone. There are multiple ways to help me. Subscribe, share, they will also subscribe, ring the bell, and don't forget to like. Bye! Your parents will appreciate if you don't forget to clean up.